Morning all, this is our second morning. It's a little bit late because we wanted a full 8 hours of sleep, so it's about 9ish right now. You can see downstairs we had a fresh layer of snowfall last night. So it's all white and fluffy downstairs. And also we think it's a school down there because you can see there's some basketball netball fields, and on the other side there's an ice skating rink for the kids. Across the road there's a hospital, so that's one of Harbin's big hospital. So we're living in a quite central place of Harbin. I was doing my makeup and I heard downstairs there was some chanting. So you can see downstairs the school. I think they're doing their morning exercises where they get their kids to go around the fields. Oh, it looks like they're kind of jogging. We're out again, and today's plan is actually quite relaxing because first of all we're grabbing something to eat now, and then James wants to go see his grandparents, which is in a cemetery. So we're going to travel there, and in the afternoon I don't really have we don't have much plans, but honey, I want to go to the places like your childhood places.
Okay.
Do you
If you
like
want to.
beside the river and stuff?
Yeah, okay. Didn't you want to go and check out the shops?
No, I'm fine with the shops. We can go if we have time, because we're not sure how long the cemetery is going to last. But right now we have to grab something to eat.
Yep.
Much of these vlogs I'm keeping the organic elements, like the street noises and us speaking, because I want the memory to be more real and immersive. Most of today's media consumption is very commercial based and fast. However, I want my vlogs to be more simple and down to earth. If you enjoy these kind of vlogs, please let me know by liking down below. James picked this set menu place, and I got a noodle. James got a rice set menu. The special thing about here is this crab sauce that you put into your noodle or rice. And we got some vegetables too.
明白了，这块呢，原来有一个煤堆，现在煤堆都拆了。我们这边还有一个厂子，专门做那个，专门压那些铁片的，压铁片好像不知道是装罐头还是装什么，他经常有那些那个压完了剩下的边角料，他就堆在后头，全是铁的铁片，然后压成这种三角形，一个一个的，那中间有好多圆的，我们捡那个玩意儿。经常靠着这个窗边写。它这个小窗户是个厨房，这个小窗户那边是个厨房，然后那个呢是一个屋，算是个厅吧。
We came to the side of the river and I think I'm defeated by the cold. My toes are absolutely freezing to the point that I think I have frostbite because it hurts so much. My fingers are still okay, but you can see I got this neck. I do apologize. I was so cold. I forgot about the placement of the mic due to the cold. And James wants to go onto the river to have a walk, so we just came here having a hot drink. And hopefully I can warm up. And later we'll have a walk on the river.
哎，别冲人啊，波波！哎，你别冲那是房子，你往那边冲我。
What is this?
这个就往上喷火，对对
来，
啊，你抱住了。
抱住啊！
哎，别冲人啊！
再往高点，
再往高，哎。
别害怕啊！一会儿就好了，没别。来，小哥你啊！
啊，可以，厉害！哦，nice！ 这行了吗 ？OK， cool。
We're down here on the river now, on the frozen river. It's so much colder, and I just did one of the fireworks. That's first in my lifetime that I did firework. I never did firework before. James said when they were young, as a child, they'll do it every year on Chinese New Year. That was fun.
It's the best time in my life.
And we have to go back now because it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold. We've decided to have hot pot tonight. We're just in the restaurant now. I'm still all rugged up because I'm trying to warm up. Whereas at the other side, you can see James. He's taken off his jacket already. I don't know how he's dealing because outside he can be without a glove, without any hat, and I have to have everything rugged up, and I still can feel my toes and fingers dying. James is currently picking food for us to eat. The hot pot just came and it looks like the charcoal is up here in this compartment, in this cone, and it's cooking the water down there. It's the first time I've seen this kind of hot pot. We selected a herbal base, so it looks like a lot of healthy stuff in there with Chinese medicine stuff over there. That big brown thingy, not sure what that is. Some celery, some seaweed, and some goji berry over there. A big date. I don't know what that is. And some shrimp over here for taste.
Seaweed.
Yeah, it's seaweed. James was a bit too hungry, so we've put in half of the lamb already. And we've put in some vegetables too. It's our dishes to be ready to be put into the hot pot. The hot pot place we just came out of is this one. Each dish was actually really big, so we couldn't finish it, and the beef we had was quite special. The manager was saying that it was Wagyu beef and it has like a vein in the middle, so it's crunchy as well. It was really nice, but again, the dishes here are very big, so we couldn't finish it between the two of us.
This is my high school.
You see all the parents in front waiting for their kids to come out.
Yeah.
But it's very late.
Yeah.
It's 6.
That's how late you study in China.
Oh.
I think I remember we used to finish school around 8 sometimes.
Oh gosh. Oh, look at the kids coming out.
Well, that's very different how they finish school.
How did they finish school before?
I don't know. We will never finish like this. It was like, okay, you're escorted to the entrance of the school.
We're all warm and fuzzy after dinner now, so we're planning to go to the main street, the main shopping street here, to just have a walkabout. And again, behind me is James's school. We can see a lot of parents lining up to pick up their kids. Very well organized, because I think it's by class as well. Oh, I'm stuck. Which way is a walkable way?
This one.
Okay. We came back at night and we're gonna have some strawberries. We got that in the supermarket yesterday and it was really pretty because they have each individually wrapped. I'll show you what it looks like in the fridge. We still have a few more. So it's all individually wrapped like that, so it's all protected. I washed some out and James is now going to show us the pomelo. I'm not showing James's body because he currently doesn't have any top on, but that's the pomelo we got, which is really big and it smells really fragrant too. Hopefully it's good inside. Yeah. We have our fruit set up on the bed because I think the cleanest place and the most viable place that we can eat is on the bed in this accommodation. Everywhere else is quite small and it's not that clean. Oh, there goes my pomelo. Excited to eat. Yay.